Hey, just a couple of things here, Armina. When it comes from the top, okay, this is good, and I'm going to show her the different version. But what I want to do here, maybe to simplify the menu tab, maybe we should have blog under the about, map search under bias, and then having pre-construction right after the bias. So it's going to say home, community, sellers, buyers, pre-construction, about, and contact. So basically, so we can make this a little bit more eye friendly, and the logo will be looking better, I believe. Then her photo should be on this side, on the left hand side, because of her position. And this Beyvend Aznavarsdeh, whatever she is her last name, should be maybe next in the middle, or on where she's standing. So basically, if she's here like this, let me see. So if she's on the left, then her name should be maybe like this, just from her elbow. And maybe you can use this font and sales representative. Same from here. You don't even have to make the black background. Just make it her name in black, and that should be it, I believe. And we will see what she's going to say. Sorry. Thank you.